So we have a model back here. He's all foiled up. We're gonna show you a few quick tips on how you can get strobes with natural lights, or how to get to the point where you like the shot using strobes without trying to overcomplicate things. Yeah?
Sounds good. I'm excited.
All right. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna stand back there and I'm gonna make her move all the lights.
Let's do it.
All right, so that's the key light, that's the rim. All right, so that's the main light. So this light here is what's gonna light her face.
Okay.
This here is gonna be an accent light.
Okay.
So this is going to be behind her, and this one. So right now we're talking about the difference between the rim light and the key light. So this is the edge light. This light's gonna be on the back side. It's gonna help separate her from the background. If she's facing this way, what's your selfie side? All right, let's have you, if you're facing this way, let's have on this side of the tree. We gotta figure out what we're doing. Let's put this over here. All right, let's go on this side. All right, let's move this light. That's gonna be on the back side. All right, so if you look at the line, imagine imagine it's a hose, right? So if it's a spray hose, that's got no modifier on it. So the light's gonna be a straight shot. So you wanna be able to see her from the light. So right now you have the tree in front of you. That's gonna go behind, this way. Behind, yep. All right, good. Make it aim straight at her lower back. Like that, perfect. This is gonna be a key light. This is gonna be over on this side. That one's gonna be, let's bring that right here. Right there. And this will aim at her face. All right, so that backlight, let's move that light more this way now. Yeah.
To the left more?
Yeah. Face, scoot back away from me a little more. And then more on that side of the tree. Yeah. Quick dish, I'd hang tight. Oh, yeah. Hip hop. All right, so we're using a 2-light setup here. Hold it, hold. Right there. All right, show you what it looks like here. Let's move this light in a tiny bit. So the key light, the main purpose of that is to make sure her face is lit. Let's take a half step towards her. Right there. So now the last thing is I want you to rotate the legs. Right there, perfect, just like that. All right, Chica, you ready? There, good. That same pose, turn your face to the right. Ooh, there. Hold it. Yeah. Quads, I see you. Good. Want that neck, get up a little more. Turn the face more to your right. There. Good. There. Deep breath. There, there. Good. A little more gap in the mouth. There. Love that. So that little edge right there, that's from that light there. So the whole point of the edge light,
Okay.
is that tiny thin strip of light here. That's the whole point of that. So it separates her. See that tree behind her?
Yeah.
That's gonna help separate the back of the leg.
And so that's a good thing then, right?
That's a good thing.
Okay, okay.
Ooh, yeah, like that. Pinch. Good. Right now your hips are here. Push your hips back. Good. Push your feet back a little more as well. More. Good. I want you more straight up and down. There, there. There, there. Good. Like that. Good. Right there. Ooh, there. Ooh, love that. There, there. Nice. Right there, hold it. That, yeah. You did exactly what I was gonna tell you to do. There. Good. Hold it. Bring this arm back in. Good. Hop in there, yeah. So that separates there. We see how the glutes, you have shadow behind. So if there's another light like that on that side, it's gonna be a nice edge light. So she'll kind of be like 3D a little bit.
Yeah, it's supposed to like add like the separation between.
It's all about separation.
Yeah, okay.
Especially if you're shooting dark color
With dark
in front of dark color.
Yeah, okay. Gotcha.
Strong. Good. On this hand here, dig through the hair, kind of fluff it up a little bit. Ooh, there, there. Good. See how the hand kind of goes up like that?
Yeah.
Try to relax a little more.
Relax it a little
Unless
more.
you're doing something where you're looking over your shoulder, like reaching back.
Okay, okay.
But that's better. The lines are better.
Yeah, yeah.
But they're just,
I see.
you know what I mean?
I see how it's.
Yeah, there's one that I like from it, but I just want to get a little bit more right there. Ooh, turn your face this way. Chin up a touch. Right behind you. Head tilt a tiny bit. Chin up. There. Relax the mouth. There. Good. Yeah, chica, I like it.
I just wanna hold you, never let it fade away.
See?
Hey, bro.
Like a local.
Teach me how to speak local. Hey, bro.
You get more milk than I do, bro.
Okay, what do you want to learn?
Okay, guys, today we're gonna teach you how to cuss somebody out.
So if you want to fight someone, you be like, what you fucker? Like scrap.
Okay. Don't for her. Yeah. Say it again.
What you fucker? Like scrap.
Yeah.
Nah, it's more of like, what's up, you fucker? Like, bang. There's plenty yard for fucking bang in, bro. Show you how we do, bro. 1, 2, with that nice kahalu, right
You
hook.
gotta add in the kind zip code. I stay from Big Island, so 96743.
Oh.